Welcome to our exploration of whether you can play PC games on a Mac. Let's dive into the compatibility issues and solutions. First, let's talk about the basic compatibility problems between PC games and Mac operating systems. There are multiple ways to play PC games on a Mac. Let's explore them one by one. One effective method is using bootcamp to set up Windows on your Mac. Here's how to get started. Virtualization software like Parallels and VMware Fusion allows you to run Windows applications simultaneously with macOS. Let's also cover Wine and other compatibility layers, which let you run PC games without Windows. Cloud gaming services are another option for playing PC games on a Mac, bringing thrills without the hardware limitations. However, limitations exist, including performance concerns and software availability. Let's look into those. We'll now compare popular games that work well on Mac against those that don't, so you can choose wisely. To wrap up, enhance your gaming experience on a Mac by following our best practices. Happy gaming!